Morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. Now I am going to explain basic statistics or quantitative analysis for business decision 2. Second semester BCom and second semester BBA, unit number 2, tabulation. Tabulation problem, how to solve. Here, set of theory part or like a paragraph questions will be given. How do you make a simple understanding in the tabulation form? In this place, table will be considered. Here we need to select first how many information will be given. Based on the information, we need to be selected. Usually, table number, title of the table, column caption, row caption, footnote, source note. This already in theoretical part of previous videos I explained under the tabulation heading. Theoretically explained. Now how to solve that I am going to explain it here. First, this problem we'll see. Here, habit of reading newspaper in particular city, explain how many males and females will be given, and this one how to make. Here how many information? Only two information is given. Gender, habit of reading newspaper, two information. Usually column headings will be given. Here gender, literates, graduates, like that will be given. Row heading, any one information whichever is left in the column. Usually 2 information, 3 information, 4 information. 2 information, one for column, another one for row. 3 information, 2 column, 1 row. 4 information, 3 column, 1 row. So like that we need to find. Here 2 information, gender and habit of reading newspaper. Look at that. Gender will be column, habit of reading newspaper, having or not having. Okay. Here information males will be given as 65%. We mentioned. Percentage is given. No need to mention here because any units will not be mentioned in the table. In source note we can make it. Females 35%. Females not reading newspaper 25%. People reading newspaper 75%. These are the 4 values will be mentioned. So we are mentioning in these places. Okay. Now left of the part will be considered. Here percentage is given. Therefore total will be 100. Percentage always considered as 100. Then remaining blank places will be filled. So look at that. 30. How do you get total minus 70? Similarly, here also 35 minus 25. Then 30 minus 25. Then 60, 70 minus 10. Here any 2 values if you know, another value you can find out because totally 3 information. This is the first problem. Look at that, answers will be in that form. Next one, you see. Next question. Number of workers in a large factory in 2006 was 540. Out of which 30% were females and rest males. In 2008, the strength of the workers increased by 100 and 200. In 2010, the number of workers increased by 255 on its value in 2008. So this information, how do you make a table? Look at that. 2006, 540. Total in the large factory is 540. First information, see, 30% of the total is females. Females 30%. 540 of 30% is how much? 162. We put this 162. Then females is 162. Means male how much? Total minus female. So we found it. That is the first information. Come to the second, 2008. In 2008, the strength of the workers increased by 100 female. What is the strength in the 2006? 100 will be increased. We put 262. Then 200 males increased. That we put it as 578. Then total we can able to find out male plus female. Then in 2010, the number of workers increased to 255 as on its 2008. So what is the total? 1095. Look at that. 840 plus 255. Then come to that. Female workers were 340. Then what is the else? Male total is total minus female. We'll get it as 1 will get. Another one will be found out. Okay, this is the information we found it. Clear? Then we'll continue in the next video. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. Previous video, I explained two problems, tabulation method. Okay, now another one problem. I'll explain it. Out of total number of 10,000 candidates who have applied for jobs in a government department, 6854 were males, 3146 were graduates, and other were non-graduates. The number of candidates with some experience is 2623, of whom 1860 were males. The number of male graduates was 2012. The number of graduates with experience was 1093. That includes 323 females. Tabulate the above information. Here, information which is given, male, female, graduates, and then non-graduates, and then experience, non-experiences. There are three sets, male and female. That is gender, graduates, experiences. So three information I already explained in the previous video. Two will be column basis, one will be row basis. Now we will consider generally used year, male, graduates and all column basis. Whatever left out, then we can use it as row basis. Now male, graduates will be column basis, experience row basis. Look at that table. What is the method we followed? This is the one. Got it? Male under that graduate, non-graduate total. Female under that graduate, non-graduate total. Total under that graduate, non-graduate total. So one by one, how to fill according to the given information. Look at that. Out of we have total number of 10,000 candidate. See that 10,000. Come to the next one. Who applied for jobs in a government department, 6854. According to the color matches, look at that where it is given. Male equal to 6854. Total male is given. Then come to the next one. Female 10,000 minus male. So female will come. Look at that. How much has been given. Based on the color, I'm matching. Then 3146 were graduates and others were non-graduate. Graduates how much? 3146. Graduate total will be given. Come to the next part. Non-graduate 10,000 minus 3146. Non-graduates can found that. This is the one. What is the total minus graduates? Will get it in this format. Clear? Then come to the this is a slides. Next slide. Look at that. What already information. Now the number of candidates with experience 2623. Look at that. Without experience or unexperienced, we can find out. In which 1860 were males. In which 1860 are male. So candidates with unexperienced. Unexperienced how much? 10,000 minus 2623 will get. Then total number of male graduates 2012. Look at that. So likewise will be all the information we got it. Then some more information. Male non-graduate, male total minus male graduates can take 6842. Then female graduates, graduate total minus male graduate. Likewise, each places we can make one by one values. So female non-graduate equal to female total minus female graduates we can find out. So likewise, any one of the information is getting, then you can find out. Number of graduate with experience 1093. That includes 323 females. Look at that. Here you can check male total or graduate non-graduate. Then similarly female, 3-part dividing male female total. In the 3-part, individually you take wherever 2 values are given, we can find out other values. Likewise, we can repeat that, entire other values can be completed. See that? We can find out. So in this way, we can find out remaining is missing values can be found. See that 3146 minus 1093, 2053. So remaining all the values can be found. So finally, you will get the same way you can proceed. You will get the complete table. Is another one of the problem, because it's take long time. That's the reason wherever we need to understand, we can give it. Here, 3 values consider. You need 2 if you know, you can find out. Like that, we can follow other values, will get it. Come to the next problem. Here is given. It is a total non-vegetarian, vegetarian, like that is given. What is that? First one, look at that. See that 2010 and 11 column. And then male, female, total, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. This is the one. Now look at that 750. 750 were non-vegetarians. You got it. Then 120 were vegetarian customers. 1250. Then in total there were 550 male non-vegetarian customer. Question read according to that answer will get it. Then 300 female vegetarian customers. It is 2010. So these are the 4 values you got it. Based on that, remaining values you can find out. Look at that. We got total 1250 plus 750 we got it. Then 1250 minus 300. Then here I will get 500 to get it. See that 1500, add it, then you can get this value. Then 500 minus 300 you will get. So we will find the completed 2010. Come to the 2011. Total number of customers increased by 25. What is 2000 is in that 25% increased, then 500 will come 25% plus 2000 will get 2500. And then while non-vegetarian customers increased by 20%, non-vegetarian 750, 20% of that 150. So 150 plus 750 you'll get it 900. Then in all there were 1700 male customers. Male customer total is 1700. In that 650 were vegetarians. So remaining we can fill. 1700 minus 650 will get 1050. Yeah. Then 2500 minus 1700 will get 800. Then 2500 minus 900 will get 1600. Here see female is left out. You can male and total you can follow one by one. 1600 minus 1050 will get 550. 900 minus 650 will get 250. Or you can find out 800 minus 550 also. Either this method or that method we can follow. Okay, this is a one setup. We'll see in the next video. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. Here, continuation of tabulation problems. I'm continuing here. Already few problems explained. Now another problems will be explained. Okay, here in the sample study about coffee drinkers, male and female, it's given. Here there are two informations, town A, town B, one. Under that, male, female, B also male, female. Then, what is that? Coffee drinkers, non-coffee drinkers, habit of, okay, that is given. First one, town A we will consider. Females, 40. Color and matching. See that? 40. Here also percentage is given. No need to write. Total will consider as 100. Then total coffee drinkers, 45. Look at that. Then male non-coffee drinkers were 20. These are the three information is given. We know very well. Here percentage is given. So we will consider total as 100. That's the one. So remaining blank we can fill it. See that? What are the ways we will filling? 100 minus 45. Here 100 minus 40. Whichever known value, unknown value you can find out from the total. Then 60 minus 20. Here 45 minus 40. Here 40 minus 5, 35. However, you can find out. Similarly, town B. Town B, what is there given? Males were 55. Male non-coffee drinkers were 30. And female coffee drinkers were 15. These are the information given. We know very well. Here also percentage is given. Total will be 100. Then, information 100 minus 55. 55 minus 30. 45 minus 15. Then add it. 25 plus 15. 30 plus 30. This is the 10. This is another one problem which is given here. Look at that. Here male, female or male ladies. What is the heading is given? That's the reason I return that as it is. In that literates, illiterates, rural, urban as given. So we can make it as a set of in that. 3 information, 2 information will be considered as column, 1 information considered as rows. So totally 50 lakhs people will be written as 50 lakhs. In that 20 lakh people live in urban areas. Then remaining are rural area. Later we'll see. In urban areas there were 9 lakh male people. Urban area there were 9 lakh male people. Out of which 3 lakh are illiterate. In urban areas 5 lakh illiterates. In rural there were 25 lakh male people. Then people out of which 15 lakh were literate. In rural area, literate ladies were 2 lakhs. So read it one by one according to that where it is placed. Check it out. Then remaining we can find out. So look at that. What are the information? 50 minus 20. Then 25 plus 9. Then next immediately 15 plus 3 we can find out. Then male literate we can find out one by one. 9 minus 3. 25 minus 15. 34 minus 18. 16. So one table filled. Similar way we can fill it used on that total, and then male total will get female total, that is ladies total. We can find out 20 minus 9, 30 minus 25, 50 minus 34, or 11 plus 5. In that ladies literate we can find out 11 minus 5, 5 minus 2, 16 minus 7. Similarly, total literate we take, illiterates we take, we will get a total 12. That is 9 for literate 6 plus 6, and then 20 minus 12 or 3 plus 5. However, you can find out 10 plus 3. Literate you take, then 30 minus 13, 17. 16 plus 9, 25, 50 minus 25, 25. This is another way to find out. Once you understand, you can follow another format. This is another one in the college. These are the problem for your understanding. You can follow the same format. Look at that. 1300. First year is 475. According to the question reading, I put the information. Students in the group 700 were boys. Boys is 700. 900 students are commerce. Commerce total is 900. Then there are first year students who are boys 225. Boys is 225. And those boys studying in commerce is 150. That's it. The total number of boys studying in commerce 450. The number of first year students studying commerce is 350. So you can find out one by one. Commerce you take, find out the values. The similar way you can find out other values also. Look at that. 900 minus 350. 450 minus 150. Then girls you can find out. Here boys 700 minus 225. And then 1300 minus 475. Then here total we can finish it. 475 minus 225. 825 minus 475. 1300 minus 700. So here also same way. 350 minus 150. 550 minus 300. 900 minus. So now you understood. Same thing. Total of boys and commerce total you can subtract. You'll get the signs one by one. 225 minus 150. 475 minus 300, 700 minus 450, then similarly 250, 200, then 350, 250, 600 minus 450, then science boys and girls total you'll get one by one. Okay, this is another one. Here ends the tabulation method of problem completely. All the best for your future.